Good morning, everyone. Today is Saturday, March 4th. Wanted to give the membership a quick update on how we survived the windstorm last night. We had about 15 trees blown over. Today, the crew is focused on cleaning up or removing any trees that are either dangerous or blocking traffic. Next week, we will take care of everything else. We'll have our tree contractor come in and handle the larger trees, and then we'll take care of all the smaller stuff in-house. It's going to take a couple of weeks to get everything completely cleaned up, but again, the majority of everything is on the outer edges of the property and really nothing that's going to affect playability. Hope everybody survived the storm safely, and look forward to seeing everyone out here around the club soon.